now we'll start with Firoz Tughlaq. Here we see Firoz Tughlaq. He ruled during 1351 to 1388 AD. Just after Muhammad bin Tughlaq died, he was actually succeeded of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and he was the cousin of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And but Firoz Tughlaq was neither support wars nor supports the win to win the states or the dynasty. He was not believing in that. He was just taking over all whatever Muhammad bin Tughlaq has done the mistake. He was just taking over and improving and busy with to improve that financial condition of the dynasty. Okay, Tughlaq dynasty. Then he was also to win the Nobels. He has made one post and the rights on the lands, and it was he made for of armies. It was like hereditary. Okay, so it was. And so for them he has done this facility. And also we see here to make happy of Muslim ulemas. He has uh, started one tax jizya, which is actually special kind of tax paid by non-Muslims. Okay, also he has reforms many things, like he has written a number of number of loans he has started, and also certain taxes also he improved. And to improve agriculture or cultivations, he has ordered to dig the he had ordered to dig the wells and canals, like that Yamuna canal is famous for the irrigation. And also not only the tax on the certain things, but also he also reduced the taxes on the certain things. And not only that, also he has started tax on the on that water which they used in the agriculture sector. Okay, now after here we see the commercial purpose also, like in trading also he has improved a lot. He removed the tax on goods. He also improved the condition of artisans and the karkhanas. Also we have seen many karkhanas he has established, or the workshops he has established. Free medical care also he has given for the poor people. So these all things he has done to improve the condition of Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, not only this, not only in this revenue system or financial condition, also you can say this is he worked for the improvement of this financial condition. But also he has built many towns such as Jaunpur and Firozpur. Also here we see the names. And hospitals, libraries, mosques, palaces he has built. And also he has started built madrasa for to promote the learning in Muslims. Okay, so this all things all we have seen Firoz Tughlaq has done to to improve the condition of the Tughlaq dynasty. But after his death in the year of 1388, the Sultanate, Delhi Sultanate started decline, or started down its downfall started. Okay.